Hello, kids! It's great to see all of you again. Hello, Messy Monster. What are we going to draw today, Messy Monster? You'd like to draw a teddy bear? That sounds like a fun idea, Messy Monster. So, what do you say? Shall we get started? First, you want to start with a nice big round circle for the head, just like this. Then, we can move on to the two fluffy ears like this. One ear and two ears. Nice! Now, let's move on to the snout. We'll do that by drawing a smaller circle in the big circle like this. Then, we can draw a circle in the snout for a nose. Perfect! Now, let's draw the mouth with 3 simple lines. Now, let's move on to the eyes. Draw 2 circles like this. Nice! Then you can draw a big shape like this for the body. And then you can add a circle for the belly. Now let's do the arms like this. And let's add 2 paws on each arm like this. Perfect! Now let's move on to the legs. Draw 2 shapes like this. And once you're done, give your teddy bear any color you like. So what do you think of our cute teddy bear, Messy Monster? Looks like it wants to play with you. Well, would you look at that? It is playing with you. That was a lot of fun. Until next time, bye!